Ooh.
What's in this box?
Hey guys, welcome to our first unboxing video. We have a box here. We have no clue what's in it. For all we know, there could be a dead goat.
Oh no!
Okay, so let's unbox it. Okay, so here we have the car itself. Not too shabby. We have the control as well. Why is it on top of the car? I don't know. And here we also have some accessories. Let's open it up. Yeah, we don't need this anymore. Okay, so this is the car. Not too old. So let's see. We have the controller as well. Leave that in the package. Let's first take a look at the car. Shock absorbers are working well. Spare tire. Let's have a look inside. So here we have two seats, and it looks like the screen and another seat with the steering wheel. That's not essential. So let's take a look underneath. This is the important parts. So here we have the motor, where it spins these and makes them move. And we have the shock absorbers. And we also have the steering turning thingy. Okay, let's have a look at the controller. So the controller here has a popular design where it has the wheel and controls. So you have the trigger to make it go forward and backward. You have the on-off power button, and we have the throttle. You also have trims for the throttle and the steering. Let's see it. Oh wait, we didn't put batteries in. Okay, so let's put in the batteries. No screws are required. All you need are two AA batteries. You'll see some instructions here on where to put them in. So the first one is minus side down, and the second one is plus side down. Okay, so it's in. No screws. Let's turn this on. Let's turn the car on. When you hear that beeping sound, it means it's paired. Okay, so let's see the motor. You might notice two sticks moving, which means the wheels get to move. And we also have the steering servo, fully functional, very smooth. When it's on, we also have two very functional lights with indicators from which way you're turning. Very smooth. So, the throttle trim, let's see it. So, it automatically moves it when you're not touching it. I'll put the mouse over here. As you can see, I'm not touching it and it's still moving. Let's bring it down to nothing. So we have the accessories here. We have a roof rack with this, I don't know what it is. We also have some mini luggage and light covers. And here we also have some spare window wipers, some wing mirrors, and a charger. But we'll show those all in a different video. Okay, so here we have the battery. It's in here. So let's take it out. So it's a regular rechargeable battery pack as it seems. It has a small connector here, but let's not get too fussy over this. So we should focus on the detail here. It's really amazing. The plastic here is really great quality, really see through here on the windows and windscreen. If you take a look inside, and what you've seen from earlier, it's very well detailed inside. Steering wheel, you have the screen there, another screen, you have speakers, and we also have a container in there, as you might have seen if you have a car yourself. But here on the side, very well detailed again. If you have a big enough car, you might own a ledge like this on the side, and it will look very similar to that. So we must applaud them for the detail that they put in. Now you must be wondering what happens if a wheel breaks. Well, I'll show you now. You might notice that there's a back wheel here, which you can conveniently remove if you put your nail and put it in the center here and take this little guy out. It's not going to be able to be removable immediately because there's a screw inside. So let's unscrew it. Okay, so now it is entirely out of the back. So you have a little axle here, which is used to prop the wheel up onto. So you can see that right there. So if you want to replace this, it's really easy. You just do the same. You take it out, unscrew it, and then take it off. Same axle here as on the back. So if you want to put the one from the back on, if say this one has broken, just plop it on, pop in the screw, screw it in, and just plop this in, and then it's like it's never been taken off. But if you want to replace the shock absorbers, you have to take the wheel off again.
Oops.
Quick. And take it off. So then you can see the shock absorber here with high quality springs. They should work very well. And then you'll be able to take it off. So let's put this back in.
Oops. Oops.
Screw it in. And there it is fixed. Let's put the back one on again. And it's back on. Just need to put this thing back on again, and bam, it's on the back. Even if it's broken, it should look the same. So this is the car here. Very small, very affordable at 50 to 55 euros. very well detailed. I'd highly recommend it if you're looking for a high quality but not too expensive car. Has very proportional steering and speed. So let's take a look at this in action. So first we'll turn the throttle down to minimum. So we turn it on, it'll be flashing, which shows it is impaired. So then you take up the car, you see a switch here, you turn it on. Once you hear the beep and the license controller stops flashing, means it's paired. So let's take a look at it going in a very slow pace on low throttle. Now let's take a look at max speed and low throttle. Seems very fast. Let's take a look at it moving without me holding it up. It's very responsive. There are lights here if you haven't noticed. When I'm going forward, they turn on, and going backward, they also turn on. Now they also act as indicators. So if I go this way, it shows that I'm turning that, and I can go that way, it indicates as well.
Oops!
Ooh.